How to start a group session on Spotify. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can start a group session on Spotify, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to start a group session on Spotify, all you have to do is simply first of all go ahead and launch a Spotify application. Now remember that in order to start a group session you need to have Spotify Premium, which means that if you are using the free account you will not be able to start a group session. Now once you open the Spotify app, just go ahead and play a specific song that you want to listen with your friends in a group. And once you've done that, from the bottom left corner you can see this desktop icon, right? You want to simply make sure to tap this desktop icon. Here you'll see current device, and if you have premium, right under the selected device you'll find the option known as start a group session. When you type in start a group session, you'll be able to invite up to 7 friends in order to listen together on Spotify. Once you invite them, you'll be able to successfully connect and start a group session. This way you can basically start a group session on Spotify. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.